Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, as you could see here, this is about online crash course for Karnataka CET and NEET exam. So, I hope you people have gone through my previous videos till now, which I have uploaded. So, I have discussed about Karnataka CET, some previous year questions. Okay, and I have given some tricks regarding how you can solve the given questions in a very limited time. And even now, I am discussing about the board exam, the numericals. I hope you have gone through all those videos. Okay, where I got a very positive response and very positive comments from all the students. So I would like to thank through this video to all those who are following my videos and who are finding use from those videos, okay, or who are getting a knowledge from those videos. So here is the video for the online crash course of Karnataka CET and the NEET, where some students through YouTube only they have contacted me and they were asking for some online classes for the upcoming Karnataka CET and the NEET exam. So I thought of doing the online crash course with a very affordable free fee structure. So very affordable in the sense where are some students, okay, who cannot afford the coaching classes where are going to put a very high fee. So for those students and for especially the Karnataka students and from the rural base, okay, for those students I thought of doing this online crash course. Okay, and here through this video you can get some information. So when exactly the classes will start, okay, and how many days who can all join and what might be the fee structure. So dear students, here the classes will start from May 20th of this month. Okay, so the classes will exactly start from May 20th of this month, and join. So I know there are some students who are still like preparing for the board exam as the exam got postponed. So they are preparing for the board exam. Okay, so this crash course is for not those students, it's for those who have already passed board exam previous year only, or the almost the students who have finished their board exam, who have passed the second PU board exam with a very good marks, who might have already written the competitive exam in the previous year, but still they are not satisfied by the ranking what they have got. If they are preparing for the competitive exam for the upcoming exam, this class is for those students. Okay, and exactly how many days the class and how I'll going to take, here is the information. So dear students, the crash course will be exactly for 45 days. So as it starts from May 20th, it might end by July 4 or first week of the July itself. Okay, and the classes will be 45 around 50 days, it may extend, and I'll going to take the class through the Zoom app. And the best thing is that I'll going to provide material, okay, along with the synopsis. Okay, I'll going to provide material with all the MCQs and the previous year questions solved, okay, and along with the best synopsis of that particular topic. Okay, and the entire first and the second PU syllabus will be covered. So entire first and the second PU syllabus will be covered. That, as you know, for the first year chemistry you have around 14 chapters, and for the second year chemistry you have around 16 chapters. So overall it is like a 30 chapters, where some topics will be like splitted, like for example when it comes to equilibrium. So here we're going to get like I'm going to divide the topic into two parts, like ionic equilibrium. Okay, so like that, when it comes to some basic concept of chemistry, there you have to study separately on a like mole concept and as well as a stoichiometry. Like that, around 31 to 32 chapters will going to finish along with the best material and the synopsis. And how frequently the classes will be? So dear students, I'll going to handle weekly 3-day classes. Okay, and one day will be test on that particular topic. Okay, so weekly 3 days it will be like, if it start from Tuesday, okay, the classes will start from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So if I complete one topic in those 3 days, okay, and the next day, like what exactly on Friday you will going to have a test on that particular topic, so that you can learn that topic in that week only perfectly, and you will going to get some shortcut way of solving the questions. Okay, so a practice will be there. Okay, so this is information, and most important, what is the fee structure and what is the class timing. So dear students, here the class timing or the duration of the class will be 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, it may extend around like 2 hours, so it will be like exactly 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours. Okay, if the discussion will happen there, obviously it will going to take a more time, so it is exactly around 1:30 to 2 hours. Okay, so daily one class will be there for around 2 hours, and the most important part is fee structure. So where when some students have contacted me, they were asking like, where we cannot afford much fee for the classes, so try to keep very affordable fee. Yes, exactly, I'm keeping very affordable fee. So for all those information, and if you have any further queries regarding all these things, you can please contact to these numbers, or else you can WhatsApp. So as early as possible you will get admit, so that you will get all the information and regarding the fee structure as well, so that we get prepared. Okay, we can prepare for the class and we can start the classes exactly on May 20th. Okay, again I'm repeating, for any queries, if you are interested to join, you can contact to these two numbers, or you can WhatsApp. Okay, I hope you find this video useful. Okay, I'll be waiting. Please do call or WhatsApp for any queries. Thank you so much.